Michelle, and we're two sisters metal detecting, and we find treasures in the most unusual places.
This week on Two Sisters Metal Detecting. It's another beautiful day today. We're out at a different location in our permit site, checking out the tot lots this morning before we move back over to some of the other locations we've never been to before. Stay tuned, we'll catch you at the first signal. First signal. 5253, and I think I can already see it right here. Yeah, that's a nice way to start the day. The nice shiny quarter. Awesome. Oh, beautiful. 2021. Good way to start the day. Into the pouch for you. See if we can find some more. Find number 2, 5354. I didn't film this one because I just dug to the bottom and got a tent stake. But I will take it, a 1987 quarter. That's 2 quarters in a row. And this one has a little bit of red paint left on it. Back many years ago, people who owned jukeboxes in their restaurant and wanted the patrons to use the jukebox would paint quarters with red or pink color, and they would use them to run the jukebox, thinking, well, if we started one song, other people would pay for more. And it always worked. They recovered their money back because they knew they had painted them red. And that's the nature and the origin of the red painted quarter. Signal number 3, 42. Okay, there it is. It's a penny. It's a shield penny. All right, into the buck. You're spendable, that's for sure, and that's about all you're good for. So into the bag with you. Solid 46 signal. And there it is. It's a nice copper penny. $1964. Ooh, nice older one. All right, into the pouch you go. We like our copper pennies. And let's see if we can find some more. Well, we found just a few coins here at the tot lot. So I think it's time to move on to a different part of the park and see what other treasures we can find. We're off to our next location. A stone, looks like a limestone building. And it definitely looks old. We're gonna do some detecting around this and see what we can find. First good signal. It's a 34. 35, 37. Could be anything in this park. I'm gonna try getting it with our hand shovel. Is. Ha! The first pull tab for today. Can't have a day without pull tabbing. Just wouldn't feel right. This one's a beaver tail, older style. Well, into the pouch with you and see if we can't find some more coins. Next signal. Pretty solid 27. Kind of along a pathway now that leads between the tot lot and the stone building. We'll see what this 27 is. It sounded really good. It's in the plug. It's got that beautiful double beat to it. It usually means one of two things. Either it's a beautiful ring or it's a pull tab. Let's see what it is. And this time it's a pull tab. A bent one, but it's a pull tab. Here's another screaming loud 40 signal. Will it be another big pull tab or a nice gold ring? Could be either one. You never know till you dig them up. Looks like it's in the clod. Oh, it's neither one. It's a coin. Oh, it's a wheat penny. Awesome. Whoa, I'm happy to find that. That's definitely an older, this is an older area than of the park. What year is this? Looks like, let me just grab my brush here real quick. Love the patina on this. It's gorgeous. Nice and green. It'll go beautiful in our penny collection. I think it says 1921. That goes beautiful with our 1919 silver $quarter we found here yesterday. That's amazing. Look at the beautiful, beautiful patina on there. Nice. Let's see if we can find some more of those. That'll definitely make our day a whole lot better. Well, we're going to leave this limestone building behind. We did find that really amazing 1921 wheat penny. We can't wait to see if we can find some more. We're going to look in other locations. We know there was homesteads in this area before it became a park. And we want to find what those people left behind.